Good morning, grade ones. How are you this morning? It's a lovely Tuesday morning, the 28th of July, 2020. We are still preparing ourselves for our exciting assessment on Thursday. So I believe we are all getting ready, and no need to be anxious, no need to stress, no need to worry, because we are practicing every day. So when Thursday comes, it will be like second nature. Okay, right, let's start. Let's see who's present this morning. Abongiwe is here, welcome. Samara. Let's see who else is here. Franklin. Abushe. Luawe. Michaela. Nathan. Nyasha. I welcome you guys. Ria. Reese. Sean. Faith. Let's see. Do I have two Seans? I see Sean H, and there's also another Sean somewhere. Oh no, that's the same. Okay, Gabriel. Kunashe. Okay, I think I've got everyone. I welcome you everyone this morning, grade ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We are 15 this morning. That's great. Okay. Let's start with our lesson this morning. Okay, we do our usual counting. Okay, all right, let's see. Okay, let's first start counting in threes up to 30. Is there anyone who would like to count in threes for us? Up to 30. And remember, even if you've not done it before, we'll just say 3 and then take a small break, and then you use your fingers to check what is the next one. Okay, I'm going to try and make sure that everyone gets a chance to speak. Okay, I see Samara, I see Luawe. Okay, well, for starters, I will take those whose hands are up, and then I see Ria is also up. Okay, let's see. Let's start with Samara. But while she's counting, we are all going to be counting with her. Samara, it's not unmuting. Let's see, Luawe.
Hello,
okay,
ma'am.
How are you, Luawe?
I'm fine.
Good. You're going to lead us to count in threes. We are going to count in threes, okay?
Until 30.
You what?
Okay, I'm gonna do it.
We are counting
until 30.
Yes, absolutely. Up until 30.
Threes until 30.
Okay, ready?
Okay.
Start. 3,
3, 6,
6,
9,
9. Good.
9, 12,
12.
14,
Good.
15, 15,
15. Yeah, good.
18,
Use your fingers. 18,
21,
21,
24,
24. Good.
27, 27,
27.
and
Good.
30.
And 30. Well done, Luawe. Bye for now. Thank you.
Oh,
Okay.
thank you, ma'am.
Bye, Luawe. Okay, I'm going.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Okay, so we're going to get somebody again to count in tens backwards from 100 to 10. But while that person is counting, I'm going to ask that we also count with them. Okay, let's see who was next. Let's see, Ria. Ria Tlechile, can you count? Lead us as we count in tens from 100 up until 10. Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's start from 100.
100,
Wait.
90,
90,
80,
80,
70,
70,
60,
60,
50,
50,
40,
40,
30,
30,
20,
20,
10.
10. Thank you very much, Ria. Well done. Okay. So we had, okay, let's go to the next one. Thank you so much. Okay, so this is just that brief about our assessment, which is coming up on Thursday. It will be uploaded before time so that you can download. Okay, and then the more details we get, we will share with you. Okay, and then the other thing is that, remember, mom, dad, or you know, your home teacher at home, they mustn't give you the answer. So you just relax, do what you know, so that you can identify the gaps and give you extra activities so that you can be sharp. Okay. And also in class, I know it is, we are doing revision. So I know you are great. You focus. You won't be playing around your computer and sending gibberish on your chat box. I know you are the best. Okay, let's go on. Okay, so here is the first one. Right, the first one here says, circle the correct answer. Which shape is 2D? Okay, I'm going to ask somebody, which shape is 2D? I'm going by line. I think, Busha, you were the third one to raise your hand. Doesn't want to unmute, Busha. Okay. Okay, we'll go to the next one. We'll come back. Okay, Nathan. Hi, Nathan.
Hi, madam.
How are you?
I'm fine.
I'm also fine. Nathan, can you give us an answer for this question, please? It says, which shape is 2D? Look at the shapes. Which shape do you think is 2D, two-dimensional? Were you
Um,
around? Were you around when we talked about the 2Ds and the 3Ds?
at this
Which one do you think it is?
the blue. I mean the pepper set.
The purple one.
Mhm.
Okay. I'm just going to quickly revise. When we talk about a 2D, two-dimensional, it means something is flat, like your paper. You see your paper on your table. It is flat. But when you look at the ball, for example, it is not flat. It is round. It's got form. Né? And then if you look at this one, it's a cube. It's not flat. I mean, you can see there it goes high, and there it's got a length, and it's got a width as well. And if you look at this, it's a cylinder. Um, it is round. It's got closure there on the side, and you can even roll it if you look at it. So this is also not flat. So these ones, we call them 3Ds. They are three-dimensional. Okay, so it's like a big object. It's not flat. But if you look at this triangle, it's just flat. It's a drawing. So a drawing on your page, it's two-dimensional. It doesn't have any height, and it's just a flat paper. So that's the difference between your two-dimensional, your two-sided object, and your three-dimensional object, like this one, which has got your length, it's got your breadth, and it's got your height. So let's look at this object again. I'm talking to Nathan. Nathan? Yes. So you want to check again, Nathan, which one is it?
It's the triangle.
The triangle, that's correct. So when you write on Thursday, if the triangle is the correct one, you're going to put a circle around your D, okay? And then I'll give you a big tick. Thank you, Nathan. Bye for now.
And
Okay, I see. Right, great. Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, now this one says, which shape is a 3D? Okay, I've got so many hands which are up. Okay, I'm ticking so that I don't repeat people. Let's see. Let's see, Gabriel. Gabriel, hi Gabriel.
Hi.
How are you? Are you well this morning?
Yes.
Good. Answer this question for us. It says, which shape is a 3D, a three-dimensional? We've got an
See,
arrow there. We've got a rectangle. We've got a miniature jet. We've got a form of triangle there. So which one do you think it's a three-dimensional shape or object?
a formal jet.
That formal jet, yes, well done. So what you're going to do in the test, you'll just put a circle there, and I go and put a big tick there. Thank you very much, Gabriel. Bye for now. Okay, let's go to the next one. The next one there says, circle the correct answer. What is the value of the underlined number? We've got a number there, 66. Remember, we've got tens, we've got units. Even if these numbers are the same, it's 6, but the value, what they represent, is not the same. Like you see when we are counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up to 10. When we get to 11, the first one, it's not the same as the one which is next to it. So I want to see anyone who wants to try and tell us what is the answer, what is the value of this first 6. Okay, let's see. I see Samara's hand is up. Nobody else. Okay, let's start with you, Samara. Nyasha as well. Okay, let's try Samara. Good morning, Samara. How are you? Wow, okay. It's underlined. I can see Uyanda has already given me an answer. Can you tell us, Samara? What is the value of this?
The value is the remaining
It's the remaining.
It's the remaining 6 that has
I like it. I like your confidence. That's great. Keep it up. Okay. Okay, let's hear what somebody else says and then we will consolidate. Okay. I see Nyasha, I see Ria, I see Kunashe. Let's see. I'm going to ask you, let's see who. Malachi, let's hear.
Yes, ma'am. Hello. Good morning, ma'am.
How are you?
I'm fine.
I'm also fine. Can you tell me what is the value of the 6? Is it just 6?
It's 16.
It's 10. It is
60.
okay. You are on the right track. It's a tenth. It's 6, but it's a tenth. Okay. Thank you so much, Malachi. I want somebody to add to what you are saying, and then we'll put the two together. Okay. Thank you so much. Well done. Let's see. Let's see. Kunashe, would you like to tell us? Kunashe, I'm going to unmute you.
Yes, ma'am.
Hi, Kunashe. Can you tell us what is the value of the 6 here?
60.
It's 60. Good. Um, Thank you so much. That's the correct answer. It is 60. Nathan said it is a tenth. Okay. And
Yes.
said 6 as well. That is correct, but when we put them together, the correct answer is 60. So thank you very much, Kunasha, and thank you very much, Gabriel. The two, we put them together, the 6 here, it's a 10. It's part of tens, and because it's 6, it becomes 60. So our correct answer there, you will circle C. Well done. Thank you very much. So we go to the next one quickly. Okay. Right. The next one, what is the value of the underlined number? They are both nines, okay? But it is important for us to know what is the value of both these nines. Is it 100? Is it a unit? What is it? Okay. Can I see some hands? Okay, let's try Michaela. It's not unmuting, Michaela. Okay, let's see who else.
90.
It's 90. Thank you very much, Michaela. Well done. So which one would you circle between A, B, C, and D? Which one are you going to circle in the test?
A.
A, well done. And I'm going to put a big tick there. Thank you very much, Michaela. Bye for now. Bye.
Hmm?
Good. We quickly go to the next one. Right, here is the next one. The next one says, which picture indicates symmetry? I want you to remember this. When we talk about symmetry, we talk about, let's say, just imagine you are holding um, a square drawing. You've got a page and then it's a square, all right? And then if a square which is cut out, if you fold it into half, because it's a square, we know that the left-hand side will be exactly the same as the right-hand side. Not so? Yes. So that is what we call symmetry. It means when you fold something into two and you open it, what is, for example, you take your apple, if you cut your apple into half, exactly into half, when you open it, the left-hand side must be the same as the right-hand side. So that's what we mean by symmetry. If you get something in the test which talks about symmetry, please know that's what we mean. Okay, now let's hear. This question says, which picture indicates symmetry? The left side is exactly the same as the right side if you fold it together. Okay, so let's see who wants to give us the answer. I don't see any hands up here, but I think I will choose for myself. If it's okay, Bushle, I tried to unmute you the other time. It didn't unmute. Let's see.
Okay.
Yes. Tell me, between A, B, and C, which picture would you say indicates symmetry? If you fold it into half, what's on the left must be exactly the same as what is on the right. Which one do you think it is? Between A, B, and C. Let's look at picture A. If we fold it together, you see there's a line. That's what we could call, yeah, that's what they have folded. They folded it this way. If you look at this side on the left hand side, do you think it's the same as the right hand side?
Yes.
Look at the picture, look at the drawing. Look at the drawing, the way it's going this side. Look at the way it's going that side. This side, it looks like it's a triangle, and this side, it looks like it's a rectangle. So if you fold it together, just try to imagine if you fold it together. Let's take this side. If I flip this side and I bring it over, do you see that it will overlap? If you fold it over, do you see it, Bushe?
Yeah, yes.
Okay, my dear. So then this one we say does not show symmetry. The left hand side is not the same as the right hand side. Okay, so this one is not correct. And then let's look at C. If there's that line of symmetry, they have folded it into half, and then when you close it, do you think this shape here is the same as the shape? The shape on the left, is it the same as the shape on the right?
Mm, uh,
You say?
no.
No. So this one is also a big no-no. All right. Now we come to B. Let's look at all this dotted line. Let's, if we fold it here by 3, and then we fold it, do you think that the left-hand side will be the same as the right-hand side?
Mm,
It's a square and they've cut it into half. So do you think the left part is exactly the same as the right part?
and I'm not quite sure.
You're not quite sure. I want you there at home, ne? You must draw a square for yourself. You can use a ruler, and then you can do those dotted lines. You can take a screenshot of it and experiment it for yourself. I like your very, very honest answer. Let's hear what somebody else is saying. Bye for now,
Bye.
Bushe. You are the best. Thank you. Bye for now.
Bye.
Bye. I'm trying to.
What's happening?
Hello. Hello, teacher. Is it unmuted? Yes, I do. Hello, teacher. I think it's network. Oh, man.
Good morning. Just
Hello class, the teacher will be back just now.
I'm back. I'm back. I'm back. Okay, sorry about that. Okay, let's see. Um, who will tell us which figure is symmetrical? Okay, let's see who hasn't spoken to me.
It's me, teacher.
Who's speaking?
Ria.
Ria, okay, Ria, tell us which one. Which one are you going to circle in the test? Should this one come out? Which one would you say when you fold? Which one?
A square.
The square B, ne? So in the test, in the assessment, you're going to circle this one and then you will get a big tick. Thank you, Ria. Bye for now.
Bye, teacher.
Bye-bye. Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, we do it quickly. Right, please write this down. Write this down. Or you can take a snapshot, shot. Write this down. I think I'm going to also go to show you the next one. Ne? Look what they are saying. Here's the instructions. The instructions are important. Complete the sums. All calculations must be shown. It means that you must show us how you got this number. And the best way is to break down the numbers. The best numbers that you can work with, it's like your 10, it's very easy to work with 10, and it's also very easy to work with 5. So this 15, you can break it into, you can say 10 plus 5, and this 7 there, you can say 5 plus 2, and this 8 here, you will say 5 plus 3, and then you add them together. I'm not going to get an answer now. Let's go to the next one so that at least we cover everything for today. Right, the second one, it's 17 plus 3 plus 7. Okay, the instructions are the same. All calculations must be shown. So what you do, you break this number up. It will be your 10, and then plus 5, and then plus 2, and then this 3, we can't break it into 5. You just leave it as it is, plus 3, and then plus 7, you can break it into 5, so plus 5, and then plus 2, and then you'll give us the answer. So just write it down or take a screenshot. Let's look at the next one. Okay. 16 minus 6 minus 3 is equals to what? Okay, so you also can break this down into 10, but because this is 16, it's going to be 10 plus 6, or if you want to do it in to break it to have 5, it will be 10 plus 5 plus 1. Okay, and then minus 6, when we break it into 5s, it will be 5, and also minus 1, because we are taking out away 6, and then minus 3, and then you will give me the answer. Okay, you won't give me the answer now. I just want us to write it first. Okay, the next one, it's 25 is equals to 17 plus what's in the box. You must tell us what is in the box. Okay, so you will also tell us how you got what is in the box. Okay, let's go to the next one. So remember, let me explain more. Remember here, when we were counting backwards, okay, you can count backwards and say the answer must be 25. So you start from 17, then you'll say 18. With your fingers, you can say 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. it gives me 8. Then it means it will be 8 here. So we want to get to 25, but we are at 17. Then you count on up to 25, and then you will get your answer there. Okay, let's go to the next one. I think our time is quickly running. Okay, the next one is 16 equals to 9 plus. You can use your fingers again. So here what you like, you can use your counters. You can use your sticks to show us how you got to your 16. Okay, 9 plus, the same way we did the previous one, you will do it that way. Okay, let's see if we've got some more. Okay, that will be all. So what you can do, how many sums did we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Those 5 sums, you can do them as homework. But if you want me to send them to you, I can send them. You can request them. So, but please, it's not just about getting the right answer, but this block here, they want you to show us. Even if you can draw sticks, that shows us how you got your answer. That will be perfect. Grade ones, you have really been great. I want to say goodbye for now, and I will see you all tomorrow. Okay. Luawe, I see you say you don't understand. You can send me an email, and I will explain. Thank you very much. Bye for now.